Today, I have with me three of DZO's newest anamorphic lenses, the Arcana 1.5x Anamorphic T2.1 full frame. These are DZO's most affordable anamorphics, putting them well within reach for the burgeoning filmmaker looking to up their image quality without breaking the bank. While they may be small in size, the image you get out of these are huge, maintaining the same professional image quality and classic anamorphic look thanks in part to some smart engineering. So in this video, we'll show off some test footage, talk a little more about the lenses, and give you a breakdown on who these anamorphic lenses might be for. So let's jump in. These DZO Arcana lenses are remarkable in their size, weighing around 709 grams for the 32 and 75mm variants, and 695 grams for the 45mm, and just 80mm in length, making them excellent when using handheld or with a gimbal. They look and feel great as well thanks to the aluminum construction, titanium finish, and robust geared iris and focus control rings with 270-degree smooth focus throw. Thanks to the uniform design of these lenses, the focus rings across the set of Arcanas sit in the same place, eliminating the need to reorient your follow focus gear. On the front, these lenses have an 80mm front diameter that includes support for 77mm filters, and on the back, REPL mount for use across a wide range of camera bodies. So they're a great size and they are nice. But the real question is, how do they look? Well, as we can see from our demo short, they look incredible. DZO is no slouch when it comes to rendering a beautiful image with their lenses, and these Arcana anamorphics are no exception. With their 1.5x squeeze factor, we're getting excellent coverage of the full frame 16:9 sensor found here on the Canon C80. Although the C80 doesn't have native 1.5x D-squeeze, I was able to use the Shogun HDR Classic set to 1.5x and monitor the image that way. Image quality aside, the DZO Arcana offers a lot of creative potential with regards to how users operate them. DZO designed these lenses with a short rear optical design to allow operators the flexibility of using VND filter adapters and autofocus adapter rings, great for the owner-operator whose camera body doesn't have internal ND or autofocus capability. The PL mount is as versatile as ever here with multi-position. So if you're ever so inclined, rotating the lens 90 degrees allows for vertical anamorphic or vertiscope shooting. There's no shortage of PL to whatever mount adapters out there, so finding the right one for your specific camera body should be no problem. So for this section, we've come inside our studio to perform a flare test under controlled lighting conditions. Here are how the flares look across the set of DZO Arcana lenses. As you can see, the flaring is really nice across all three lenses. The 32 and 75mm lenses exhibit a strong and very strong horizontal flaring respectively, while the 45mm horizontal flaring is present, albeit not as strong as the other two lenses. The DZO Arcana anamorphics come with a neutral color coating on the front lens element, allowing for different flare colors depending on the color of your light source. Ramping the color temperature from 2700 to 6500 Kelvin, we can see the color of the flares changing from orange to blue. Thanks to their neutral coating, the flares are able to be tuned to fit the vibe of your shoot. For the bokeh test under marquee lights, we are looking at the 32mm wide open at t2.1 with 6 stops of ND to prevent overexposure in the background. The bokeh behind the subject is soft, retaining a bit of clarity for the environment around the subject. The lights above have a uniformity to them and gradually become more oval shaped the further away they are from the subject. Switching to the 45mm at the same t2.1 aperture, we get a bit more separation of the subject from the background, with the bokeh becoming even more pronounced. The lights retain their uniformity and oval shape while becoming softer even closer to the subject. Finally, the 75mm at t2.1 produces a very exaggerated bokeh that renders the background completely out of focus and blurred, with the environment around the subject transforming almost into a painting. Our lights now have a pleasing softness to them, and they fade away into the background very nicely. Overall, all three lenses produce incredible bokeh for the price. DZO has done an amazing job making anamorphic filmmaking accessible to everyone with any type of camera. After shooting with this set of DZO Arcana Anamorphics, there is much to love about what these lenses bring to the table for those filmmakers looking to step up their image quality. The 1.5x squeeze factor makes these lenses kind of the ideal choice for mirrorless hybrid Cine shooters out there with the 16:9 sensors many of these camera bodies offer. Priced at around $3,000 for the set or about $1,100 per lens, the Arcanas provide access to the world of anamorphic shooting at a competitive price point with excellent image and build quality and versatile feature set to boot. So those are the DZO Arcana 1.5x anamorphic lenses. Let us know down in the comments what you thought about our demo footage and which focal length of the set did you like. I've been Sidney with B&H, and thanks for watching.